In this video, we will revise addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are the fractions in which the denominators are different. And when we are asked to add or subtract unlike fractions, we cannot add or subtract them until and unless we make the denominators same. So now we will learn the method of making the denominators same. Let's take few examples. If you observe this fraction, we will find out that in this equation both the fractions are unlike because the denominators are different. One is 6 while the other is 9. So first of all, we have to make the denominator same. Now there are several methods which are used to make the denominator same. I will let you know a few methods and then it's up to you. Whichever method you find easier for you, you can adapt that method. Okay, first of all, I will let you know how to find out the LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. So we will just move to our working column. Although we have learned this method earlier, but it's a good chance to revise it. We will find out the LCM by using our ladder method. Okay. We will write our denominators here because we have to find out the LCM of both of them. 6 and 9. Now let's choose the common factors. They both are not divisible by 2, so we will move towards 3. 3 2 times is 6, or 6 divided by 3 is 2, so it will come underneath it. Whereas 9 divided by 3 is 3, or 3 3 times is 9. We can go both the ways, either division or multiplication, to find out. Okay, so we have 2 and 3 now. For finding out the LCM, we keep on dividing until and unless we get 1 and 1 for both the factors. As they both are not divisible by any common factor now, so we can choose one factor at a time to divide one of them and reach to its simplest form, which is 1. So let's take 2 over here. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 3 will move down as it is because it can't be divided by 2. Now we have 1 here, but we have to make 3 into its simplest form. So let's take 3. 1 will move down as it is. 3 divided by 3 is 1, or 3 into 1 is 3. So this is how we have reached to the simplest form of both the numbers. These are our factors. We will multiply them to find out the LCM. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 3 is 18. So it means our LCM is 18. We can make a line and write down the LCM as a common denominator underneath. Now this is how we will work it out. 18, first we will divide the LCM with the denominator. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So we will multiply 3 with the numerator. It will give us 15. Same method will be done with the second fraction. 18 divided by 9 gives you 2. 2 multiplied by 4 will give us 8. Okay, so here we are. Now we will add the numerators. 15 plus 8 is 23, whereas denominator is common 18. This is how we add or subtract unlike fractions. Okay, now the fraction is already in the simplest form and it's an improper fraction, so it's important to convert it into a proper fraction. Go to the working column, find out the quotient. Quotient will become the whole number, remainder becomes the numerator, whereas denominator remains the same. This was one method of making the denominator same by finding out the LCM. Let's move to the second method. We will work with the same equation and it will help you to compare the methods. Okay, I've taken the same fraction and I've chosen a different color to help you understand. Now, We have to make the denominators same because we cannot add and subtract fractions unless their denominators are same. We will use a different method. This is known as crisscross method. For this method, we simply multiply the denominator with the other denominator of the other fraction. Now this is 6 while the denominator over here is 9. So we will multiply 6 by 9 and 9 by 6. This is known as crisscross method. Okay, but when we multiply the denominators, we have to multiply the numerators as well, because in fractions, if you're multiplying or dividing one component of a fraction, it's important to do the same with the other component of fraction. This is how we will do it. Now let's find out 9 into 5 is 45, whereas the denominator will become 54. Over here, the numerator will become 24 after multiplication and denominator will become 54. So now we can observe that our denominators are same. This was the purpose of using the method. So we will not add the denominators because we don't add them. We make them same and choose one, the common one. We will add the numerators. When we will add the numerators, 45 plus 24, it will give us 69. So we have added unlike fractions, but now it's important to check. Can it be simplified? Yes, it can be simplified. Let's take the table of 3. 323 times is 69, whereas 318 times is 54. So now you can observe both of them. We got the same answer. Again, this is an improper fraction. So we will convert into a mixed number. Okay. This is how we can do it. I hope you have understood now. Now it's your choice. Whichever method you find easier, which you are more confident with, you can use that method to find out the for making the denominators same. But rest of the rules are the same. We don't add or subtract the denominators. We only add or subtract the numerators. I will take one more example using a different fraction. If we look at this equation of fraction, the denominators are different. It means the fractions are unlike. So we have to make the denominators same. You can simply go for a mental calculation as well, but you need to be very quick in your timetables and accurate in them, okay? So 16 is a bigger number. We can convert 4 into 16. So 4 how many times is 16? You can simply do it over here. 4 into 4 is 16, but if you multiply the denominator, we have to multiply the numerator as well. So the first fraction will remain as it is, and the second one will become 4/16. Is it clear? This is how we can do it as well. 1/16, but as per BODMAS and the rules of integers, it will have negative sign with it because this digit is bigger, so it has negative sign in it. Is it clear now? We can also make the denominator same by simply doing our mental calculation. I hope you have understood the addition and subtraction of unlike fractions now. Best of luck.